Build a startup with 0 employees. You do not need a team to build a business anymore. Today, an AI stack can replace a team of 10 for under $150 a month. It's a statement of fact, not a revelation. Here is the exact leverage stack. Category 01, strategy and content. ChatGPT Plus or Claude Pro. Your always-on thinking partner and copywriter. Crisp, efficient, and essential. Category 02, operations. Notion AI, this is where your strategy lives. The brain of your business, keeping your knowledge structured and accessible. Category 03, automation. Zapier or N8N, these are your tireless workers. Stop doing manual data entry. Let the machines handle the plumbing. And the most powerful one yet, Category 04, product building. Cursor, use it to build full apps in natural language. Build full apps in natural language. This is vibe coding, and it is changing everything. The solo game has never been more scalable. You do not need headcount. You need leverage. This is how you win in the solo era. Check the AI prompt library at the link in my description to get started.